Welcome you all. Now we are going to see about statistical averages. Statistical averages. An average is a single value within the range of data which is used to represent all of the values in the series. It is the reason that averages are sometimes called measures of central tendency. In statistics, an average is defined as the number that measures the central tendency of a given set of numbers. There are a number of different averages, including but not limited to mean, median, mode, and range. Let us see about the meaning for statistical averages. Summarize a large amount of data into a single value is called statistical averages. For example, you may read in a newspaper that an average people watch 3 hours of television per day. We understand from the use of the term average that not everybody watches 3 hours of television each day, but some watch more and some less. However, we realize from the use of the term average that the figure of 3 hours per day is a good indicator of the amount of TV watched in general. Let us see about different types of averages. It includes mathematical averages, positional averages, and commercial averages. Mathematical average is calculated by taking the sum of group of values and dividing it by the number of values in the group. There are three types in mathematical averages. The first one is arithmetic mean, second one is geometric mean, and third one is harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean. It is the average or the most common value in a collection of numbers. In statistics, it is calculated by adding values of all the collections of data and dividing their total by the number of collections of data. The second type of mathematical average is geometric mean. The meaning for geometric mean is an nth root of the product of all numbers in a collection or a given series. The third type of mathematical average is harmonic mean. It is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the values of its various items. Now let us come to different types of statistical averages. The second type of statistical average is positional average. It refers to the average which are taken out through observation from the series where a particular value from the series is picked up which represent the whole series. For example, in median, the middlemost value of the series is taken as the representative value. Therefore, median is a positional average. There are two types in positional averages. The first one is median and the second one is mode. Median is a value which divides the series into two equal parts. That is, the median is the value in the middle of a set of data. That is, it is the middle value when a data set is ordered in ascending or descending manner. The second positional average is mode. It is the number that occurs most often in a set of numbers. That is, the most frequent number in the series is called mode. That is, the number that occurs in the highest number of times. If no number in the series is repeated, then there is no mode for the list. The third type of statistical average is commercial averages. It refers to the average which are mostly used in business for comparing the data from one period to another period. The commercial averages includes moving averages, progressive averages and composite averages. The moving average is otherwise called as running average or rolling mean. That is, it is a calculation used to analyze data points by creating a series of averages of different subsets of the full data set. That is, an average is taken over a specific period of time rotationally. For example, the moving average of 6-month sales may be computed by taking the average of sales from January to June, then the average of sales from February to July, then from March to August, and so on. The second type of commercial average is progressive average. It is an arithmetic mean of the composite averages. That is an average of the components of other averages. Example, progressive average for the first year would remain the same. The progressive average for the second year is equal to a plus b whole divided by 2. For the third year, it is a plus b plus c whole divided by 3. For the fourth year, a plus b plus c plus d whole divided by 4, and so on. The third type of commercial average is composite average. It is an average which is a combination of multiple other indexes or averages. That is called composite average. In the next video, we will see about how to calculate arithmetic average. Thank you.